Hi everyone, a warm welcome to you on my channel. I am Sahiba Wadhwa. We are going to style a book display unit today which you can take a lot of inspiration home from. So let's get started. That I've selected for this unit are keeping in mind that we have a white background because contrast plays a really important role when you're styling such a section. The key is to have mostly books in this section but not only books. Notice that I'm sticking to the tones of gold, blue and white mostly. I'm using a vase as a napkin holder here because we wanted it to be something different. That's the final look for you.